Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use the read mode of Microsoft Word and will let you know about the different available options that you can benefit from. So to go to read mode, you first need to come to View tab, and on View tab, in the View groups, the first button corresponds to read mode. If I click on this, I will be taken. This is the read mode, and you see here the ribbon, the scroll bar, the status bar, and everything has stripped off, and you can only focus on reading the text, which means you can neither add text nor edit the existing text. You can only root to proofread your document. However, with that said, there are some additional function that you can benefit from. The first one is the presence of the zoom button at the right bottom corner. You can zoom in and zoom out to a text by moving the slider to either to the right or to the left. So that's the function which is also available in the edit mode and is present in the read mode. Besides that, if you come here to View tab, there are a lot of options. If I click on the Edit document, it will take me back to the Edit mode. And if I click on the focus button will remove any spaces between the text if there is any, and will concentrate you on the text only. And similarly, I switch this focus mode off, and then I come down to navigation pane. If I click on this, it will show the navigation pane to the left. If you have any navigation item in your document, I switch this off too. And now, if I come to the show comments button, it's open a pane to the right and would list the comments if you have added any to your document. But I haven't added, so I have zero item. There are no comments in my document, therefore no one is shown here. And then coming back to the View tab, from here you can change the colors, but since I am on the dark mode, therefore I have no access to their options. The most important one that is very fascinating is the layout pane. If you choose this pane, here are two layouts, one column layout and the other paper layout. This is the paper layout, and being on the paper layout, you can scroll down through different pages. However, and the zoom button is present over here. Similarly, you can go to the column layout, and when being on the column layout, you go to the right and left. You click on the right and left button to go to different pages like this one, and you can change the number of columns. That is, you can show the pages into different columns. If I come to the View tab and being on the table and being on the column layout, if I come here to column width, I click here. Three different options are available: narrow, default, and wide. If I click on narrow, it will break the page into two columns. If I reduce the zoom over here, it will convert it to three columns. Similarly, I can go to two columns from the column width. If I click on default, so it will break the page into two columns, and every page will be shown in two columns. And then I can put it to the wide mode. It will show the whole page into a single column. And then there is syllables. If I click on this, it will separate the syllable. Dot will be added between different syllables, like you see over here. Powerful. So all the three syllables are separated by spaces. However, I'm not interested in that. You can remove that by going back to the normal mode. And here, if you click on text spacing, it shows the text into this format. And the last one, which is very important, I go out of this mode, and here is read aloud. If you click on it, the Microsoft will start reading your text aloud. For example, I
Read
click
mode
on
in
it.
MS Word. Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video,
So
you
this
can
way you
paste in the
can
embed
read
code for the
aloud to
video you want to
Microsoft, but
add.
I
You
want
can
to
also type a keyword to search online
go
for
out
the
of this
video
mode
that
by
best fits.
clicking back the same button. And now one more important thing in the read mode is the translation. If you click on the translate, this pane opens up, and here you can translate from the language. It has detected that it is English, and here from English to, I will let me translate this to Urdu. I click on Urdu, and then the text that you select here, for example, I select this amount of text, it is automatically translated into the language of my choice, which is Urdu. So you can change this choice to any language, and the text you select here in the main pane would be translated accordingly. Now I cross this and go back. Now, if you want to go back to the edit mode, you can do that either by pressing the escape button on your keyboard or coming back to view tab and clicking on the edit button. Both way you can go to the edit mode. And now I'm back to the edit mode. And then, thanks for watching.